Just Ben Reppert from the Campus Weather Service bringing you your weather update, which unfortunately does include some rain. We're starting off this morning, though, very mild, 46 currently in State College. That's incidentally 1 degree warmer than the normal high for this date in March, so certainly on the mild side. We've got some 50s creeping into the west, and the normal warm spots are on the cooler side, 35 in Harrisburg and 39 right now in Philadelphia, so a little bit backwards. We got a little tongue of warmth coming up through the Ohio Valley, the Tennessee Valley. This will move in for this afternoon out ahead of the cold front, but then the cold air does await. We're not going to get quite this cold. We're not going to get to 16, but colder air will certainly move in on the backside behind some rain, as I mentioned. Now, satellite radar right now shows dry conditions. It looks like it's raining, but this is actually what we call virga. It's raining aloft, and the radar beam sees it, but then it evaporates before it gets to the surface. This, however, is hitting the ground out towards Cleveland, and this is the beginnings of the storm system that will move in later on today. Now, as we track this storm, we're going to be talking about the rain arriving after 11 o'clock tonight. We're going to see wind-driven rain at times as those winds gust as high as 30 miles an hour. It will lead to ponding on the roads, generally between about 1/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch across the area. Now, as we time it out with eye on the future, notice that the rain moves in, as I said, about after 11 o'clock tonight. This is midnight on our clock, some showers moving in. Heavier rain at times will be crossing the state during the overnight hours tonight. As you can see here, by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, some of that heavier rain, and then it begins to move off to the east. By mid to late morning, some heavy rain going from the Poconos through the Lehigh Valley and down towards the Philadelphia area and the Delaware Valley, whereas central and western Pennsylvania start to clear out. We could actually see a sunset tomorrow, as Eye on the Future is hinting at some clearing skies as we head into the afternoon. This is yet to be seen. I'm not totally convinced by this, but nevertheless, the clouds could start to break apart during the late afternoon. Wednesday, some lake effect rain and snow showers could move across the state, a reminder that it is still winter time. These winds are also going to be picking up as well as we head into the afternoon, already picking up to about 16 miles an hour in State College for the gusts, 25 miles an hour for the gusts in Johnstown. And then overnight, as the storm actually is happening, as the rain is falling, winds gusting close to 30 miles an hour, as I mentioned. And then as we head into tomorrow, as the cold front pushes east, the highest winds push east and are focused across eastern Pennsylvania by the morning hours. Now, real quick, as we head out in time, temperatures are going to be taking a hit as well. By Wednesday, a cool pool of air will be moving in as we see that front make its passage, and then it gets even chillier for Thursday and Friday into the weekend as we see temperatures that will be in the 30s, nearly 10 degrees below normal. So the spring fling goes sayonara. Say goodbye to it because it's going to be out of here. It won't be until early next week that the temperatures begin to warm up once again. During the day today, though, one more mild day to enjoy, mostly cloudy. 56 degrees will do it on the high side with just a light wind. Light winds will give way to high winds tonight. We'll see those winds 10 to 18 miles an hour sustained, gusting as high as 30, 42 degrees for the overnight low with a wind-driven rain. And then on the exclusive Campus Weather Service 7-day forecast, a little bit of rain and snow could happen on Wednesday, 42 for the high. Turns colder, feeling like winter for Thursday, 35 degrees. That'll be 11 degrees below average. Friday, Saturday, 38 degrees with increasing sun, and then by the time we get to the end of the weekend, temperatures do start to take a little bit of an increase, but our next chance of rain comes by day 7 on Monday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Ben Reppert. Have a great day.